And the lawyers, the government lawyers were trying to tell the Associate Justice Gagne, oh, you know what? Just look at the guns. Just I attached some pictures. Just look at them. Like you. So we don't care about ballistics, statistics, none of that. Look at them. They look scary. So, of course, this is in the public interest to ban these things.
I hope they don't go to Dollarama. There's some toy guns that look pretty scary too, Sheila.
You've just sent the Karens to Dollarama. Good job, David. Okay, now we are 6 minutes over. We've got more super chats, and Justin has asked me to give a quick update on the CCFR's injunction hearing yesterday before the federal court. They had an injunction hearing to stay the order in council that banned at least 1,500 popular models of Canadian shotguns and long guns. And it was almost 8 hours of hearings yesterday. I sat in on all of it.
Wow.
And I got to tell you, if you want to, like, psychic vampires are real and they work for the government in the Justice Department. Their lawyers are so boring that it was like he stuck a big Slurpee straw right into my soul and sucked it out, just having to listen to them. But anyways, the CCFR is arguing, and some two other groups that are intervening. They are arguing that the law is so vague that you cannot be expected to follow it. And it sounds like Justice Gagne sort of agreed, although she's keeping her decision and she'll release it at a later date. But it sounded like, based on her questions, she sort of agreed, because she was making remarks and asking questions like, if it's the opinion of a firearms expert at the RCMP, then that's not actually a law. And so how do you deal with that when you go to court? Well, it's the opinion, so how do you convict someone of running on the wrong side of an expert opinion at the RCMP? You can't really do that. Furthermore, the expert opinions that the government seems to be relying on, they cannot actually describe what a variant of an AR-15 is. 3 days of cross-examination of earlier of this one RCMP expert, Murray Smith, and he cannot describe.
Oh, Sheila has frozen. And what a cliffhanger, eh, folks? She was about to deliver something profound. Oh, there you're back. You faded out there for a second, Sheila.
Oh, sorry. I was just saying, how could the court reasonably expect manufacturers or owners to know what's an AR-15 variant if the people who are drafting and the architects of the Order in Council that outlawed these guns, if they can't describe it, how are we supposed to know? And they heard testimony from, or read in affidavits from manufacturers, small manufacturers like Maccabee and Wolverine, because of stranded inventory. They've seen a 40% drop in their sales. Maccabee was put completely out of business because they make one firearm, and it was banned by an Order in Council, and it was specifically designed to never be a restricted firearm. It was created so that it was non-restricted, and that was outlawed by the Order in Council. So ostensibly, they put Maccabee right out of business overnight. And the government lawyers are saying, well, there's no irreparable harm. You cannot prove that we've irreparably harmed these people and businesses. We need to put somebody out of work. Well, yeah, you did. You just did. So that was the update to the hearing, and the decision is reserved.
Only a federal bureaucrat can make an astonishing statement like that. The company's gone bankrupt. Everyone that worked for the company is unemployed, and he's quibbling over the definition of irreparable harm. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I mean, some of the arguments were just crazy. Like Wolverine, they saw a 40% drop in their sales almost immediately. They brought in an independent business valuator to say, like, look, they are going to experience over the long term about a 30% hammer in their revenue. And the government lawyers were arguing, well, they were able to pay their salaries, so I guess that's fine. Yeah, I guess if you work for the government, you don't care about, profit and growing your business and doing.
Well, you don't, because you get your money from the taxpayer trough, which is never ending, and you're pretty much unfireable. and you have a gold-plated benefit and pension program, and even when you fail, you get raises. So yeah, in their world, in the crazy, surreal world of government bureaucracy, yeah, they don't understand what it's like to make payroll, Sheila, what it's like to operate in the black. They're in a fantasy world. Anyways, Justin's going like this. It means I'm either crazy or he wants you to go.
He's hungry, and it's super chats. But yeah, actually, it came out in the hearings yesterday that the guy, this Murray Smith, this works in the RCMP firearms lab, sort of the architect of the gun grab. He doesn't have any training and education in firearms.
What?
At all. He doesn't. He's not even a gunsmith. Not even a gunsmith.
You're kidding.
No. Oh, hi, friends. What you just saw there is a clip from our Rebel News daily live stream show. It's fun, it's fast, and it's completely unscripted, so you never really know what you're going to get. Just go to rebelnews.com/livestream to sign up for special alerts